Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Dyson SV10 and unplug it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the unit. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the vacuum. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Replace the battery cover and reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened properly to avoid any loose parts during operation. With the battery replaced, it's time to change the filters. The Dyson SV10 has 2 filters, one located at the back of the motor and another in the cyclone assembly. Start by removing the cyclone assembly. To do this, twist it counterclockwise and pull it away from the main body. Once removed, you'll see the first filter. Pull it out gently and set it aside. For the second filter, located at the back of the motor, you may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out if it's stuck. Remember to clean both filters under running water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents, as this can damage the filters. After cleaning, allow the filters to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting them. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the filters are dry, reinsert them into their respective slots. Ensure they are seated properly to maintain optimal suction. Reattach the cyclone assembly by aligning it with the main body and twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. Finally, give your Dyson SV10 a thorough wipe down with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated during the process. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Your Dyson SV10 is now ready to use with a new battery and clean filters, ensuring it operates at peak performance. Regular maintenance like this will extend the life of your vacuum and keep your home clean and fresh. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.